JeddiDaddi, today we're going to take these two Hot Wheel cars, we're going to drive them down this track, and they're going to blast into this package of Ricola. Can you show us? Can you show us what it is, JeddiDaddi? Alright. Ricola. Yeah. And this is the apple mint flavor, okay? Alright, JeddiDaddi, let's open it up and pour it on the track, okay? There you go. Good job. Alright, let's put them back on there. Get them all on the track. Very good. Alright, we'll save the rest for next round, okay?
What's this next round?
Yeah, here we go. Alright, JeddiDaddi, we got the Ricola right there. And then we have these two cars. They're different sizes. This one is actually a little bit smaller, not a little bit lighter than this one, than the Mustang. So I'm pretty excited about seeing how the Lotus Ford Elise will be able to push these Ricolas away, because they're actually quite heavy. So, all right, JeddiDaddi, let's start with this one first. Okay, it's the lightest car. Awesome, JeddiDaddi. It blasted all of them. They went everywhere. Oh, that was awesome. All right, JeddiDaddi, let's clean up the Ricola and put them here, okay? All right, JeddiDaddi, can you pour out the last one on the track, okay? There you go. Very good. Alright, so we've got all the Ricola back on the track, and now it's time for the Ford Mustang. Alright, JeddiDaddi, send it down the track. Whoa, it did it as well and knocked them all off and went all over the place. JeddiDaddi, was that fun?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. If you like these type of videos, please subscribe for more.